road, right?
Compact.
So we can normally, yeah, we can put that one also because vehicles are normally driving on the compact road, not on the sandy road.
Road or vehicle movement.
Vehicle movement.
This is also one of the very good criteria because you cannot allow your vehicle to go in the sand area. So paved area, that means it will generate less dust. This is a very good activity. So guys, this is what we can have. Normally we do area monitoring. I remember when we used to work for other project to understand the dust level, we used to do the area monitor. Area monitor was there around the site. Do you have area monitoring during construction?
Visual inspection is there.
Only visual inspection. So then monitoring, I am putting monitoring, regular visual monitoring. Right? Only not machine monitoring.
No.
Okay, good guys. So we don't have any control here because this is main activity. Order, there is no order. GHG. So GHG for vehicle use.
You have restroom,
Yes.
rest area at the where your washrooms and toilets and other facilities. So where are the disposed and how the order is controlled there?
For the toilets and
For the
This will come in a liquid.
contract with the sewage team. So daily they are coming on site.
But how, first thing is, it is not like they are standing there, right? You will be collecting somewhere.
Sewage.
Sewage.
Yeah, there is a tank in the portable toilets only.
Portable toilet.
We are moving this to this. We can move to anywhere.
But it is
It's a tank
the holding tank itself inside a holding tank.
Yeah, there is.
The water supply coming from the holding tank.
Yes.
I'm just asking, I know, but if they are,
I think-
because they are the contractors, they should answer,
See,
right? That means, because even if you put toilet somewhere outside,
this
you
is
will have cold smell. And we are talking about, okay, it is not like environmental impact. Still, it's a welfare impact or something. So
washrooms will generate pneumonia and sulfur.
that is a control measure that you are saying. Whatever you are putting is a control measure. If you oppose, you don't allow, so what will happen? Uncontrolled is, that will be smell. Now your control measure is you are using a compact with the holding tank sort of thing, which is regularly, on a daily basis, you are discarding. That is a control measure.
And for this tank, there is a cover and this area is a.
Yeah, that is control measure. Sometimes they are having complete underground tank and they're disposing everything there and the vacuum truck will come and suck everything and go, okay, then it's coming, but they will expand or something.
I think that
Or you're putting bottle, but
I
you
put
put
it.
that
I put-
water coming from the.
Right,
It's not sewage, I don't know whether it's sewage. Mushroom facility, what you call. Side restroom,
Yes.
restroom, right, what you call.
Mushroom, this
Mushroom. Washroom facility at side. And what about your office area?
office area, that the facility management is that there is a, it's a camp area.
Okay.
So we hired one part of this office as office.
That is covered by standards, only that.
I've not
Or guys, office also same thing? Office also you hired as something existing one? Or you built a new office?
existing, there is a SSC from the facility management that we are hired from. So they have a system for.
Your own system is there, okay. The only thing is, which is you built is
Inside room.
site rest area only.
And camp also there is a facility management.
Okay. Sorry, Lisa.
No.
This is,
No,
the controls are there, but still I have to highlight because tomorrow, if the audit come and somebody says,
Yeah.
there is this, where will be why you have taken care.
This is a
So
plant.
we have controls.
Yeah, of course. We say first is minimum use. I mean, quantity is very less.